Welcome to Salem Public Library's STEAM program. This is the August 2020 program. This one is combined for both the school-age kids and preschoolers. We're going to be doing the same activity for both groups this month. So preschoolers, you actually get yours 2 weeks early. Let's see. So, our theme this summer was Imagine Your Story. And, in those stories with castles and knights and dragons, there's always catapults. They're using catapults for their battles. So, we are going to make our own catapults today. So, in your kit, you are going to have popsicle sticks. So, you need at least 6 of them. You may have used a couple, I think we used them for a couple other things. But you're going to want 6 popsicle sticks, a spork. You have 2 sporks because they're kind of flimsy, and this way if one breaks, you've got a second one. 3 rubber bands, and a pom-pom. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do to make our catapult, we're going to decide who we're going to shoot our pom-pom at. This is pom-pom, it shouldn't hurt. Okay, so we're going to take 4 of our popsicle sticks, not all 6, just 4 of them, and we're going to stack them together. And then we're going to use one of our rubber bands. I actually think it helps to double the rubber band before you even start. And grown-ups, we might need a little bit of help here. We're going to twist those rubber bands right around so that it's holding our whole stack of sticks together. And just to make sure it stays nice and steady, we're going to use the second rubber band on the other end. So same thing, double your rubber band first, so it's shorter, you have less to wrap. Wrap it around there until it's nice and tight. Alright, so I have a little stack of popsicle sticks with rubber bands on the ends. Okay. Next, we are going to take the other 2 popsicle sticks and stack them together, and we're going to take our spork our 3rd rubber band. You know what? Yes, you guys should have a 4th rubber band. We actually think we need 4. And we're going to do the same thing here. This one's going to be a little bit harder with the spork. In fact, you can add the spork in at the end. It might be easier to do it that way. So for this one, we're just going to take those 2, wrap them around, and we're only going to do one end of this one. Make sure it's not so tight that you can't get the spork in there. And you want the spoon, the bowl part of the spork, pointing up. So you're just going to slide that under. It doesn't matter which side of the popsicle sticks. You just want to make sure you get your spork laying on top of there. Okay. So you've got your spork stacked on top of your 2 popsicle sticks. And we're going to go back to that stack of 4. And we're going to, I've actually done mine too tight. I think I did. Yep. All right. One moment. If it's too tight, take it apart. You don't have to throw it on the floor. That's just me. All right. I have mine wound too tight to even open up. Okay. That should be better. Maybe test it before I... Yeah, that opens. And then, once again, get my spork tucked in there. Your spork is going to be your catapult bucket. pull these apart. We're going to take our big stack. I want to slide it right in between the two. See, it's kind of a cross. And this is where we're going to use that fourth rubber band to hold it all together. That's so. You're going to carefully slide down that stacked piece in between the other two. And let me grab another rubber band. Okay, this one, let's stretch that rubber band a little bit. We want this cross piece to stay as close to that bottom rubber band as we can, because it's pushing these two parts apart, and that's what we want. So I'm going to wrap it on one side, kind of cross, and bring it over. This is where you kind of get a little creative, maybe, with the way you wrap it. I'm just kind of going around each piece and twisting it. I don't think I can get it around that last one. That regular rubber band. Okay. So hopefully you can see that I just I started on one, twisted it, went around the next one, twisted it. I did not take it under that bottom one on that loop. It just goes over the spork. And I actually ended up going over the spork twice. And now I have a catapult. The trick with these is you gotta hang on to them. So I guess you could tape it down if you really wanted to, or just hang on to it with your fingers. All right, put your pom-pom in your little catapult bucket or your spoon. And then, because like I said, the sporks are flimsy, it might break the spork if you press on the spork part. Reach underneath the spork and press your fingertip on the popsicle stick that's right under the spork. Press it down and let go. So my pom-pom flew. I might have one more to do. If you need more ammunition for your catapult, marshmallows work really, really great for these. If you've got more than one person in your house making one, maybe make it a contest, see whose marshmallow or whose pom-poms fly higher or further. Depending on how high you stack your catapult sticks, if you want to play with this is an excellent experiment. If you use more popsicle sticks, if you use something longer than popsicle sticks, how's that going to change the direction that your ammunition is flying? My hypothesis is if you put more popsicle sticks between the two, it's probably going to go up higher. Or mine bounced pretty high. But if you used something longer than popsicle sticks, I feel like it would go further away. That's just my hypothesis, so it would be something fun to try. If anybody tries it, please let me know. Or, just use your catapult to shoot marshmallows at your mom or something. But stop if she tells you to stop. All right, guys. That is our last STEAM science building activity for the summer. But there will be activities coming for the fall, so I hope you've enjoyed this. And I will see you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.